Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss on competition in power market. I am Rakesh Singh Lodhi. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Oriental University Indore. The definition of competition is competition seems to be the racing of one person against another with special reference to bidding for the sale or purchase of anything. This is the definition of competition. Problems in power market. There are many problems which is identified in the power market. Number 1, find the best prices for dispatch and consumption. Problem number 2, find the best prices for investment. Problem number 3, it can the market solve the reliability problem. Fourth problem, transmission investment. Is the market better than planning? Competition, market power, market monitoring, indicators to measure market power. Fixed cost units in rupees per megawatt hour. All calculations will use rupees per megawatt hour for both fixed and marginal cost. This is unusual but simple and correct. Suppose, for example, a 1 megawatt line or generator cost 60,000 rupees. To rent, it would cost 8,760 rupees per year. It includes the discount rate, taxes, and 20-year payback period. There are 8,760 hours per year. Rental cost 1 rupees per hour for each megawatt. If 1 rupees per hour per megawatt is equals to 1 rupees per megawatt hour. A business calculation not adjusted for inflation or technical progress. There are the regulation competition. According to this slide, you have see competition is only one electricity prices. You have seen the 4 arrows which works at the end user prices. It means this is the point of the consumers or the consumer's point of view. In the regulation, there are network access, regulatory uncertainty, market design, taxes, leaves, surcharges. And in the point demand, there is a peak load growth in megawatt hour. In supply, fuel prices, available generation, available transmission. In competition, no straightforward indicator. There are the characteristics and assumptions according to the perfect competition. Each firm sets its prices at the level of its marginal cost to maximize its profits. If a firm sets a price above the price of other firm, it sells nothing. If a firm sets a price below the other firms, it will have to supply all of the market demand for the product. If a firm charges less than marginal cost, it will fail to break even for that until of output. Under perfect competition, marginal revenue equals price and each firm is a price taker. So there are assumptions according to these characteristics. A vast number of buyers and sellers of the same homogeneous product, perfect mobility of people and resources, profit maximizing behavior by producers, welfare maximizing behavior by consumers. So basically there is a relationship between the producers and consumers. Perfect knowledge by all buyers and sellers of all relevant present and future conditions in all markets. Perfect competitive versus real markets. According to economic theory, Prices in perfectly competitive markets should be equivalent to marginal cost. This is the characteristics between the price and volume. You have seen the volume is higher. It means in the red line. In the red line, the demand purchase. So the volume is higher, then the price is low. But when the volume is low, then the price is high. But according to the black line, the supply versus sell. In practice, however, prices on power markets sometimes are considerably higher. This is a flow chart of for the relation and market structure, market rules and the guidelines. Thank you very much. Thank you for patience listening.